Hello Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, welcome to your tarot session here, okay? So this is my place, as Seychelles Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Let's start with your reading. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS, Seychelles running. Different format, I'm just liking it, that's the call. So let's start. And this is right from 7th of June till 13th of June 2021, though timeless readings. The message that I'm getting is that I'm hearing Congo, okay? Sorry for the break. Congo beats. It's like literally there's a Congo and someone is doing like this. There's a change of beat in your life. There is certain kind of like uplifting energy. There is something that is going towards like up, okay? Tension I see here. For some of you, there is, I don't know whether the call will be again or not in the cards, but Three of Cups energy. It's like reunion, friends, getting together, like together, get together possible for some of you. I'm not going to edit it, that's the way I do the messages. There's also for some of you, it's like a reunion after 3 years or 3 months, okay? For some cases, this is extreme case of like 3 years. For some, it is 3 months. There's a travel in the plan. There's also someone who walked away, kind of energy then where there was no contact possible for some of you. No contact, but you're going to have the reunion or union of some sort here. The moon is the energy here. I feel this is the call of like Congo, which is about this is going to change the beat of the scenario. It's also the duality of the state. There may be a Piscean involved, but your overall energy kind of is like feeling way emotional for someone in particular, or way emotional for yourself, or just an expression here. I see this might be your expression towards something or someone in particular. It's also whatever was lying under the layers or foundation is going to come out. There's a lot of bark which is about following up with the talks or something like via text, or even, you know, I'm seeing here voice calls, a lot of voice calls here happening with the person, okay? It's going to be the task though to let the person open up or let yourself open up towards something. But overall there's a Congo, and when there's a Congo, I just love Congo, and the beats telling me that there's something that's going to break. Something that's monotony will break in your life. Whatever was going through, like you were going through, whatever was like illusion or possible, whatever was lying behind the scenes is going to be coming up front. It's like I'm getting this, the energy of like a showstopper. Like this is going to be the change in your life. How it's going to be, that depends, but the energy and the vibe that the moon card is giving me, it is like the energy of a Congo. Change of the beat. You know, like that kind of energy. Certain kind of thing is going to happen here that will change your mood. That's it, okay? Let me just focus. There's also the move again. Look, the mood will change, and the move is here. The Chariot, there might be a Cancerian, but with the Chariot there's a movement. There's also decision coming, but with the decision there's also something connected with that, with what you're going to go, okay? So the decision is in your hands, but obviously it's going to be with what you're going to go. Something with what you're going to go. The Devil is here, the Capricorn. Oh, Capricorn is here. There's like endless love or infinite love for someone, but someone's gonna take dare here, I feel. But it's also breaking the pattern here. Breaking the pattern, taking certain decision and realizations here. I feel a lot of realizations here. Yes. The one who is searching. There's, okay, kind of energy. I'm also picking explosion of expression. If it goes with you, we're going to see. So your overall heart energy or vibe is all about you're going to work on this. It's also about what you exactly feel. You need to take stand for that, and you need to speak for that. Interesting with this moon. Let's see where you're coming from. But first of all, let me use my own deck with the moon. Moon is telling me something. There is someone who is watching you, telling you that there is something happening. Either you are doing it or they are doing it. But whatever is, whoever is watching you or observing you, you're going to talk. Crows, a lot of like, I feel messages, or there's a hover energy. There is something happening here. Look, there's a change in your situation, in your work situation, in your relationship. For me, Tower is an illegal building that should fall, and I feel it fell already to bring the change. That's what the call is. Okay, fine. There's a movement in your scenario. Unexpected call, unexpected conversations, unexpected. I'm hearing audio. Again, I'm telling you that. But there is something changing, whether it's work situation. There's going to be sincere communication happening here, whether it is regarding relationship or love matter here. I feel like duality will no longer be prevailing in your situation or in your area. But with this, there's initiation, okay? Someone gonna initiate the talk here, or there's a breakthrough, truth coming out. There's going to be some big decision connected with your Tower, with your organization, workplace, profit sharing ratio. Something is here. Okay, let's see. Congo is also telling me change of the beat, which may say that there's going to be change of routine. There's going to be some circulation. There's going to be something happening. Maybe it's about your area, your work. Boom, you go. There's movement, I see. Definitely there is. 8 of Wands energy. In your present call, there's going to be a lot of talk regarding what? Regarding work, regarding relationship, because these are general readings. So may go with connections of your work areas as well, or as an individual. Love matters. There's a lot of talk. Like, it's like the letter coming, message coming, audio, a lot of, okay, they're just pressuring on the audio. There's a phone call, there's communication, there might be someone who is visiting your place, possible regarding anything here, but there's a travel is here, guys, okay? Or someone who's watching someone's actions here. So if it is about relationship matter, there's no longer will be duality. There's going to be certain decision. This no longer will be in 50-50, anything, whatever it is going to be. For some there's a flight, for some there's a travel via anything, but there's a flight also. If this is not the case, it's all about movement. Travel is definitely here. Movement, travel, definitely here. Regarding emotions, definitely there's a reunion for some of you, union of some sort. 2 of Cups energy, which is a call of like, bring it on. Okay, 2 of Cups. Sharing certain notes, sharing certain Congo beats, like, you know, I talked about reunion in the startup, like 3 of Cups energy, kindred spirits, kind of. Okay, whatever was in pause will take off. There's a flight, pick up energy. Someone gonna propose someone as well here, if it's not done yet. If it felt as though it's not going to take the flight, it will. Okay, it's just like a cleaning process is happening. With this, maybe there's again Piscean in particular, or a Cancer, Scorpio. There's a movement for many of you, or for some of you anyhow, emotional move with the person particular. Okay, someone is in awe with you. Like, let's see what's beyond King of Cups energy. Someone is habitual of someone. I don't know how it goes for you. There's a Knight of Wands energy. There is expression which they won't be able to keep to themselves, or you won't be. There's an expression. There's a fast pace of something. There's passion entering. There's also excitement. There's creative approach. There is something. Okay? It's like they are mirroring their own actions of the future that they want to bring in your life. But also, it's your energy. Like, if we just put the energy, then it is like energy of the person or your situation. But if this is you, as an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, there's a fast pace something. Someone is coming to meet you. Someone's going to create that emotional situation for you, or you are creating that. If this is happening here, you might be watching someone, observing someone. Again, 2 of Cups. You might reunite with someone. You want to reunite, and that's why you're going to put that work in that like situation. I'm sure, oh my God, there's definitely something which is connected with the pending thing, on hold thing, and there's going to be pickup. There's going to be pickup in the meeting. There's going to be some ascension, I definitely feel. Ace of Pentacles is a different approach. I heard different approach towards same thing or same situation which was left here. There is something happening, okay? Interesting. Let's see, from the Please ignore. My AC is making sounds. Just give me a second. Let's see now. What's in the oracles? What's in the oracles? Can you give us the call? Oh wow. This is the call. This is community. This is kindred spirits. It is about, observe it, there are 3 ladies dancing and making music and playing harp here, which is again about number 7, mysterious number though, but it's also telling something will be revealed. I feel this is 3 of cups. This is 2 of cups as well for some of you. However, this is a reunion call. It's going to be certain celebration here in the future. Angel of love is here. You're going to be blessed, or you're blessed. You're blessed with protection as well. There's a polite ambience around you. Polite. I heard polite. Okay. Nipsey. It's like preparation of something, celebration. Congo, tree, 7 of hearts. It's about choosing wisely, putting faith, and it's about your health, celebration of certain thing around your health, your mood. Mood is changing, ascension in the situation, Congo celebration. This is also about having strong roots, and it is also about taking care of the family where you are, or taking care of the relationship or yourself. There's growth. Definitely there's growth. Okay, no doubt with that. You see close, there is again 3 of cups energy. Celebration. The chirp is on. Let's be together. There's daughter of cups energy, which is page of cups in this, and the sun is the knight. So daughter of cups, there is startup of love, there's birth, or a fragile situation. Recording time was gone of 12:12. Anyways, there is daughter of cups. Okay, it felt as though it was 12:12. It's some possible birth. The birth is there actually. If this is not the case, about a very very fragile conversation with certain someone of heart to heart, basically, right from the romance angels card. I just remember that. It's about the stability concept. It's about someone who cannot focus on other things, rather they really want to focus on this, so that they want to manifest something. It's the love. It's Congo, guys. Congratulations. It's also Congo. Like for example, I say Congo, but it does come with the music. So congratulations. I heard congratulations. There's a reflection in the water of a rainbow, of the upcoming thing, the light, and the like a spread of something beautiful. I hope this is going to help you. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.